Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone screen keeps dimming issue. Many of your iPhone users are complaining about the problem they are facing with their iPhones. They reported that the iPhone screen keeps dimming by itself and it is making them uncomfortable using it. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this issue, but first subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first thing, you should go for cool down the iPhone. Many problems are observed within the iPhone due to overheating issue. Many a time users tend to forget that they are using their iPhones in bright sunlight areas or in places which is extreme temperature. This causes the iPhone to start getting heated. Therefore, we suggest our viewers try cooling down their iPhones and see if this helps. And the next step, you should go for disable the auto brightness feature. Auto brightness is an option available on the iPhone that adjusts the screen brightness level depending on the surroundings. For example, if you are inside the house in a dark room, it reduces the brightness so the users can be comfortable viewing the screen. So try turning off the auto brightness feature on your iPhone. For this, go to settings, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on accessibility, and then tap on display and text size. Scroll down to the bottom and then turn off the auto brightness feature and you are done. And the next step is turn off the true tone option. If the problem still persists, you can always adjust the brightness of your iPhone screen manually. For this, go to settings app on your iPhone and then select display and brightness. Now you can adjust the brightness level by moving the slider towards the left or right, or to decrease or increase it respectively. And just below the brightness slider there is an option called True Tone. You have to disable it by clicking on its toggle button and you are done. And the next step is disable the low power mode feature. When the low power mode feature is enabled on the iPhone, it tries to save battery consumption by restricting certain things like dimming the screen, auto locking the screen in 30 settings, etc. So to avoid this, disable the low power mode and check if this helped in resolving the issue or not. For this, go to settings, tap on it, scroll down to the battery, tap on it, and here you will see the option of low power mode. Tap on its toggle button to turn it off and you are done. And the next step is turn off the night shift schedule. Some users have found that after they have enabled the night shift schedule on their iPhones, they are noticing this problem. So we recommend turning it off. For this, go to settings, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on display and brightness. Scroll down and then click on night shift. Now disable the scheduled option by toggling its switch. After it is done, the screen brightness issue must be resolved and you are done. And the next step is increase the auto lock duration. Just before the iPhone gets auto locked, it will dim the brightness of the screen for some time to let the users know that the iPhone is about to get locked. This might be causing the issue, so to fix it, you can increase the auto lock duration by some more minutes or never to auto lock the iPhone. For this, go to settings, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on display and brightness. Scroll down and here you will see the option of auto lock. Tap on it. Now you can select any more time duration like 4 to 5 minutes or if you want, but you can also choose the never option, which is the best option as suggested here to resolve the issue permanently, and you are done. And the next step is update your iPhone. Most of the time iPhone users forget to check for any updates for their iPhone since it does not notify them unless they open the settings app. This may actually be the reason behind the screen dimming problem. So what you can do is first go to the settings app, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. If you find any updates available, please download and install them and check whether the issue still persists or not, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.